at work. Come, Mr. Painter. Hmm? Hmm? Boy.
Alright, sweetheart. Have a good evening.
You too.
Alright guys, so there's Pops is here. There's a spillage of gas from the gas station near us. So the traffic is a lot. Alright guys.
Alright, guys. Look at my mustache.
Mac is putting on my wig. Good. Alright. Jabari,
Can't with you, Mac.
Jabari, stop shouting. Jabari.
But where your phone?
So you don't have your phone, Jabari? Two phone. Why you want two phone?
go down there, so go buy one for the black one.
Guys, my hairstylist. Look here.
Oh no, look here. Look here. Hello.
Hello. Hey guys, Miss Style is up because she did her makeup already and everything. She went on the road. Don't mind my brushes. As I said, I was recording, so I'm going to turn it off and leave now. Here are her products that we sell. You guys should follow the business page. That's where you will see. Guys, Mish just got me my present. I got 2 Juvia's palettes. Oh my god, you guys, Mish. I'm the people in place as scream. I'm gonna get my cake too. I'm supposed to turn upside down. But listen, guys, my day has been made. I'm at the hair shop, by the way. So listen, my glad bag boss. Nobody can sax me now. You understand? I see what my nails are. So listen, I've got to come good. Oh my god. Thank you, Mish. Listen, the cat I'm spare, guys. Like, oh my god. The jar them are crystallized. Killer, forgive me. She wouldn't tell me what, guys. She would not tell me is what.
She guessed everything in the book.
Everything my mother want me guess. I never think of this. Listen, guys, I got lunch from one of my friends. He has a restaurant. I really don't remember the name, but I will put it on the screen. You guys can follow them on Instagram. If you're in Mandeville and you want lunch, you can order. You can order from them. Guys, so he does like hot dogs like this, and he does burger, fries, nuggets. What else? Yeah, and do other stuff too. I know I started filming, but yes, I went and did my nails, which took longer than I expected. By the time I came back, I couldn't record with my face and all. But I will put up a video of a look for my birthday. I will just do the entire video over and hair my nails. Like, this is the longest I've ever done my nails, like no joke. So this is it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, hey guys, I'm on my way back to the shop, but my friend Kashif, he has some perfume oils. This is the packaging. Hold on, this is the packaging, right? And let me tell you guys, these are authentic, no fake things around here. You get me? I will put his Instagram handle on the screen so you guys can hit him up if you are interested. They're for 2,500. Them cheap bad. For them smell nice up here, a decent money, trust me. So you guys, please follow him, add him. You guys won't regret buying his perfume oils. They are long lasting. You get me? Alright guys, we just got our banner and we are going to put it up You guys gonna see that process. Y'all love my colored brows? Give this video a like if you like my colored brows, okay?